In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open CapCut, start the built-in screen recorder, frame your capture, begin recording, and then stop and review your clip with confidence. First, open CapCut on your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version so you see the most up-to-date interface. If CapCut prompts you for an update, it's worth doing that before you begin, so everything runs smoothly. Next, look for the screen recording option inside CapCut. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find a record or screen record button on the home screen or within the editor workspace. Click that to bring up the recording controls. This launches CapCut's recorder without leaving your project, which makes it easy to capture something and immediately use it in your timeline. Before you hit record, take a moment to adjust the capture screen. You can usually drag the edges of the frame to select exactly what you want to show, or switch to full screen if you need the entire display. Choose the correct monitor if you have more than one, and check your audio settings. Turn on system audio if you want to capture sounds from your computer, and select the right microphone if you plan to narrate. A quick tip here: tidy your desktop, silence notifications, and close any windows you don't want to appear. If you're demonstrating a workflow, set up the windows in advance so the recording looks clean and intentional. When everything looks right, click Start Record. Most recorders give a short countdown so you can position your cursor and be ready. As you record, move steadily and keep your mouse movements deliberate so viewers can follow along. Speak clearly if you're recording VoiceOver Live, and pause briefly between actions to make later editing easier. If you make a mistake, simply pause and redo the action. You can trim the extra seconds out afterward. When you're done, click Stop. The recorder control usually sits as a floating bar or a small overlay. Use that to end the capture. CapCut will then import your screen recording directly into your media bin and, in many cases, drop it onto the timeline. Play it back to review the visuals and audio. Check that the important areas are in frame, the sound is clear, and nothing distracting slipped in. If needed, trim the start or end, adjust volume levels, and rename the clip so it's easy to find later. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, start the recorder, frame your capture, record, then stop and review. You're ready to create polished screen recordings right inside CapCut.